Hey money managers! Ever felt that sinking feeling when you need to add funds to your account, but aren't sure how? We've all been there. Fear not, fellow financiers, because today we're diving deep into the world of comdirect deposits. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, keeping your comdirect account topped up is key. So, buckle up and get ready to learn the different ways to make those deposits smooth and secure. Cash is king, sometimes in branch deposits. For some folks, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of depositing cold, hard cash. If that's you, then fret not. comdirect offers the classic in-branch deposit option. Here's what you need to know. Commerce Bank is your friend. Since comdirect doesn't have its own physical branches, you'll be visiting your friendly neighborhood Commerce Bank branch. Gear up, make sure you have your debit card, Girocard, and some valid ID. Two options, one goal, you can either head to the cash deposit machine, automatomat, or, if the branch has one, talk to a teller at the counter. Know the limits. There might be cash deposit limits, so check with Commerce Bank beforehand to avoid any surprises. The digital edge, online and mobile app transfers. In today's digital age, who needs to leave the house? comdirect offers a couple of convenient online options to keep your account brimming. Online banking. If you're comfy navigating the comdirect online platform, you can initiate a transfer from another bank account you hold. You'll need your recipient information, which includes comdirect's IBAN number and your specific account details within the system. The mobile app might be your MVP. For those who are always on the go, the comdirect mobile app is your secret weapon. Similar to online banking, you can initiate transfers directly from your phone. Just make sure you have the app downloaded and your login credentials handy. Third-party money movers, alternatives to consider. Maybe Commerce Bank branches aren't readily available or online transfers aren't your thing. Not to worry. Here are a couple of external options to explore. Online money transfer services. Several online money transfer services allow you to send funds directly to your comdirect account. These services might have their own fees and processing times, so do your research beforehand. Barzilane.de. For specific account models. If you have a specific comdirect account model, check with comdirect. If you're unsure, you can leverage Barzilane.de. This service allows you to generate a barcode through the comdirect app. You can then take this barcode to participating stores, think retailers and gas stations, and pay in cash to top up your account. Remember, knowledge is power. Important considerations. Before you jump in and deposit those funds, here are a few key things to keep in mind. Double-check those details. Always ensure you have the correct comdirect IBAN number and account information to avoid any mishaps. Processing times can vary. Depending on the method you choose, there might be a slight delay before the funds reflect in your account. Fees might apply. Be aware that some transfer methods, especially those involving third-party services, might have associated fees. So, you've mastered deposits. There you have it, folks. With these handy tips and tricks, you're now a deposit-savvy comdirect user. Remember, the best method for you depends on your personal preferences and situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances flowing smoothly.